Okay, a few days ago we did find a setup in RACE. Now the only problem is that if you like to trade options, the options are pretty crappy. But let's go over this setup and where it comes from. It's basically a symmetry setup where I have a prior decline on the left-hand side of the chart that is very similar or equal to another decline on the chart, which is this one. And we also have a 1618 extension, and I believe it's of this, well, it's either this low to high swing or this low to high swing. So basically you have symmetry plus an extension. Symmetry by itself is actually a trade setup. But I will have to tell you this, it is a setup, but none of the moving averages are on the right side for this setup. So that just means it's not as high as probability as it could be as far as a setup. It's still a setup, but we do have some things to climb through, like getting back above the 200 simple moving average, getting back above the 50 simple moving average, and the 5 and 13 are also still in a sell mode. But if you're okay with what I would consider a counter trend trade, as long as we hold above here, you can look for some higher prices. The potential off of this low would be to the 1272 extension, but we also do have to watch the areas of resistance on the way up just in case we fail rather than, clearing it. And this pretty much comes from high to low 618 retracement, and then I did have a couple of projections to run from this last low, and that's where we may falter, but if we can push through it, upside potential is pretty healthy. I'm wrong if it takes out that last low.